Listen and practice. Maya and the butterfly. Maya lived on a sunny farm. Every morning, she woke up to the happy clucking of chickens. One day, Maya found a tiny, lost butterfly next to her house. The butterfly's wing was hurt. Maya felt sad. She gently picked up the butterfly and took it inside. Maya gave the butterfly some sweet flower juice and made a cozy bed from soft leaves. All day, Maya cared for the butterfly. She watched as it slowly got better. The next morning, the butterfly's wing was healed. It fluttered its wings happily and flew out the window. Maya smiled. She was glad she could help. Question 1. Where did Maya live? In a forest. In a city. On a farm. At the beach. On a farm. Question 2. What noise did Maya hear in the morning? Mooing cows. Barking dogs. Singing birds. Clucking chickens. Clucking chickens. Question 3. Why was Maya sad? She lost her favorite toy. The butterfly was hurt. It rained all day. She didn't have breakfast. The butterfly was hurt. Question 4. What did Maya give the butterfly? A new wing. Sweet flower juice. A piece of bread. A warm blanket. Sweet flower juice. Question 5. How did the butterfly feel at the end? Hungry. Sleepy. Happy. Sad. Happy. Here are some sentences derived from the story, focusing on different aspects of English learning. Listen and practice. Basic nouns and verbs. Maya lives on a farm. The butterfly has a hurt wing. Maya picks up the butterfly. Maya gives the butterfly the flower juice. The butterfly flies out the window. Adjectives. Maya is a happy girl. The butterfly's wing is tiny and hurt. Maya makes a cozy bed for the butterfly. The butterfly feels better the next day. Prepositions. The butterfly is next to Maya's house. Maya puts the butterfly inside her house. The flower juice is sweet. The bed is made from soft leaves. Sentence connectives. Every morning, Maya hears the chickens. The butterfly is hurt, so Maya feels sad. Maya takes care of the butterfly, and it gets better. The butterfly's wing is healed, then it flies away. I hope these sentences help you learn English. Repeat after me. Maya lives on a sunny farm. Maya lives on a sunny farm. Every morning, she wakes up to happy clucking. Every morning, she wakes up to happy clucking. One day, Maya finds a tiny lost butterfly. One day, Maya finds a tiny lost butterfly. The butterfly's wing is hurt. The butterfly's wing is hurt. Maya feels sad. Maya feels sad. She gently picks up the butterfly. She gently picks up the butterfly. Maya takes it inside her house. Maya takes it inside her house. She gives the butterfly some sweet flower juice. She gives the butterfly some sweet flower juice. Maya makes a cozy bed from soft leaves. Maya makes a cozy bed from soft leaves. All day, Maya cares for the butterfly. All day, Maya cares for the butterfly. She watches as it slowly gets better. She watches as it slowly gets better. The next morning, the butterfly's wing is healed. The next morning, the butterfly's wing is healed. It flutters its wings happily. It flutters its wings happily. The butterfly flies out the window. The butterfly flies out the window. Maya smiles. Maya smiles. She's glad she could help. She's glad she could help. The farm is full of sunshine. The farm is full of sunshine. The chickens cluck loudly in the morning. The chickens cluck loudly in the morning. The butterfly is very small. The butterfly is very small. Maya is kind and gentle. Maya is kind and gentle. The house is warm and safe. The house is warm and safe. The flower juice is delicious. The flower juice is delicious. The leaves are soft and comfortable. The leaves are soft and comfortable. Maya takes good care of the butterfly. Maya takes good care of the butterfly. The butterfly gets stronger every day. The butterfly gets stronger every day. The healed wing looks beautiful. The healed wing looks beautiful. The butterfly flutters its wings quickly. The butterfly flutters its wings quickly. The open window leads outside. The open window leads outside. Maya feels happy and helpful. Maya feels happy and helpful. Helping others brings joy. Helping others brings joy.